little learners! Welcome back to our colorful corner of fun and education. Awesome! Today, we're kicking off our journey with the basics. Can you guess the name of this color? You got it! It's red! And look what we have here, a magnificent red balloon. Let's have a blast with our red balloons. Now, let's venture further into the spectrum of colors. Say hello to blue. That's right, it's a blue balloon, as beautiful as the sky above. Let's enjoy the magic of blue balloons together. Ah, what a delightful surprise! It's pink, the color of sweetness and charm. A pink balloon that's as lovely as a field of flowers. Let's twirl and have fun with our pink balloons. Look at this burst of warmth and energy. It's orange, an orange balloon ready to spread sunshine wherever it goes. Let's radiate joy with our orange balloons. Look what we've got here, a fresh and vibrant addition to our color palette. It's green, a color that represents nature and life. Let's sway with our green balloons like leaves in the breeze. Now, let's welcome a royal friend to our balloon party. It's purple, a majestic color that comes to life in this beautiful balloon. Let's dance with our purple balloons, little royalty. Can you believe it? We've got a mysterious friend joining our colorful crew. It's black, a color that adds a touch of intrigue and elegance. Let's embrace the magic of our black balloons. And now, let's welcome the earthy charm of brown, a color that reminds us of the soil beneath our feet. Let's explore the warmth of brown balloons and feel grounded in our colorful adventure. Thank you for joining our colorful balloon extravaganza. If you had a blast, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more colorful escapades.